between that first prank and then what we see there, when was there a discussion about what you would be paid?
It was just more of a I'll sort you out sort of thing.
Put that down in B. More of a sort you out sort of thing. Yes. Some people, when they come to court and they say, I've got a contract and I'm entitled to sue on it, you understand, would say something more sensible than that, like we had some species of agreement. You say it was more of a...
I'll sort you out, yeah.
I'll sort you out. I just wonder what sort of law that is. In French, that's vous êtes un conque. Understand? You just said si, that's yes in Spanish. Over the various months, Lee, you say that Shayns has sold a number of the videos you've done together.
Yeah.
And in your claim, what you say to me, this is important, that you think it's roughly, he's roughly made about £1,800. Is that right?
I think, yeah.
And I should therefore be able to construe that you're entitled to half that amount because you were part, or at least half, of the creative process, correct?
Yeah, I think.
Now, what evidence do you have that Shayns has made £1,800 over the last year or so?
It's just from what I've heard.
What you've heard?
Yeah.
Another bit of evidence. Yes?
Yeah.
In Russian, we'd call that plokho. Oui?
More bien.
Means terrible. Even in English. Right. You've got no evidence of that. Out of interest, how much have you made?
Well, yeah, same what you just said. Yeah.
About £1,800?
Yeah.
Was there ever a time when you said to Lee, look, you're entitled to half this money or anything of that kind?
Never.
No, I see. Lee, when you bring a case to court, the reality is you have to prove it in evidence.
Yeah.
And whilst I'm satisfied that the idea was 50-50 between the two of you and mildly funny to others, the reality of the situation is you've got no contract as far as I can gather. So in those circumstances, even if he has made a certain amount of money, I'm unable to give you the 50% that I suspect you're probably entitled to. Moreover, in law, when you come to court and say how much he's earned, I need evidence of some kind to come to a determination of the value. So I'm not able, again, to come to any firm or sound or clear conclusion about how much you'd be entitled to, even if I found that you had a contract and you're entitled to half the money. So because of those two things, your case has to be dismissed. That being said, Shayns, given your behaviour, I have to say in the circumstances, it seems to me that if you were a decent friend and creative colleague, you ought to find a way of giving him something. And I hope when you go away today and you look somewhere in the deep, dark recesses of your conscience, you'll perhaps find your wallet and give him some money. Unfortunately, this court can't order it. Your case is dismissed. That's the order of this court. Good luck. I do hope you find a sense of humour.